This loaded pickguard is a straightforward upgrade for Strat-style guitars, dropping in easily on many Squier and modern American or Mexican instruments without extra routing or complex wiring work. The Artec Alnico 5 set delivers a convincing classic Strat character in the neck and middle positions, with clear, chiming single-coil tones that stay articulate under gain. The bridge humbucker is noticeably powerful and thick, giving you enough output for heavier rock, while still cleaning up well for bluesier or classic styles. Build quality is a strong point, with hand-assembled wiring, solid-feeling pots and switch, and tidy soldering that inspires confidence when you pull it out of the box. Thoughtful component choices like the orange drop capacitor, treble bleed circuit, and vintage-style cloth pushback wire help the controls feel responsive and musical across the entire range. The 4-ply tortoise shell guard itself looks upscale and instantly dresses up a plain Strat, making this a cosmetic and sonic upgrade in a single swap.